Welcome to our video on the ultimate duct design guide for 3D printers. In this video, we'll explore the importance of proper duct design for 3D printers, and provide you with some tips and tricks for designing the ultimate duct system for your printer. One of the most common problems with 3D printers is poor ventilation, which can lead to issues like uneven cooling, warping, and failed prints. Proper duct design is crucial for maintaining a consistent temperature and airflow around the print, and ensuring that the print adheres properly to the bed. The first step in designing a great duct system is to determine the optimal airflow rate for your printer. This will depend on factors like the size of your printer, the type of filament you're using, and the temperature settings you're using. Once you've determined the optimal airflow rate, you can start designing your duct system. There are several software programs available for designing 3D printer ducts, like OpenSCAD and Fusion 360. These programs allow you to create custom duct designs that are tailored to your specific printer and filament settings. When designing your duct system, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, the duct should be positioned close to the nozzle to ensure maximum cooling efficiency. Second, the duct should be angled to direct airflow towards the print, and should be designed to minimize turbulence and dead zones. Finally, the duct should be adjustable to allow for fine-tuning of the airflow rate and direction. With a well-designed duct system, you can achieve better print quality, reduce print times, and minimize the risk of failed prints. So take the time to design the ultimate duct system for your 3D printer, and start printing with confidence. Thank you for watching this video on the ultimate duct design guide for 3D printers. We hope you found this information useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great 3D printing tips and tutorials.